Welcome to our journey through the red planet Mars. Today we're uncovering some of the most intriguing secrets and facts about this fascinating world. Is there life out there? Could we one day walk on its surface? Join me as we delve into the science, the discoveries, and the mind-blowing realities of our celestial neighbor Mars. You might be surprised to know that Mars wasn't always a desolate, freezing desert. Scientists believe that billions of years ago, Mars was much more like Earth, with rivers flowing into vast oceans and a thicker atmosphere. We see evidence of this ancient past etched on Mars's surface today: dry riverbeds, ancient lake basins, and minerals that form in the presence of water. Let's talk about the Martian atmosphere, or rather, the lack thereof. The air on Mars is incredibly thin, about 100 times thinner than Earth's, and it's mostly carbon dioxide. Trying to breathe on Mars would be like trying to breathe on top of Mount Everest without an oxygen tank. This thin atmosphere is also why Mars can't hold on to any heat, leading to some seriously chilly temperatures. Speaking of chilly, let's talk about the Martian climate. The average temperature on Mars is a bone-chilling minus 62 degrees Celsius, or minus 79 degrees Fahrenheit. During the day, temperatures at the equator can reach a balmy 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degrees Fahrenheit, but as soon as the sun sets, temperatures plummet. So if you're planning a Martian vacation, pack accordingly. Here on Earth we have our fair share of dust storms, but on Mars, they take things to a whole new level. Imagine a dust storm so massive it engulfs the entire planet. These storms can last for weeks, even months, shrouding Mars in a reddish haze. They're so powerful that they can even be seen from Earth with telescopes. These dust storms are a challenge for exploration, but they also reveal something fascinating about Mars: its dynamic and ever-changing nature. Mars might be smaller than Earth, but don't let that fool you. It's home to some of the most extreme geological features in our solar system. Olympus Mons, a shield volcano, is 3 times taller than Mount Everest. And then there's Valles Marineris, a canyon system so grand that it puts the Grand Canyon to shame. If Valles Marineris were on Earth, it would stretch across the entire United States. Now let's meet Mars's 2 tiny companions, its moons, Phobos and Deimos. Unlike our own majestic moon, these guys are small, lumpy, and probably captured asteroids. Phobos is the larger of the two, and it has a rather morbid fate. It's slowly spiraling closer to Mars and will either break apart or crash into the planet in about 50 million years. Talk about going out with a bang. Here's the big question that keeps scientists up at night. Is there, or was there ever, life on Mars? While we haven't found any little green men yet, there are tantalizing clues that suggest Mars might have once been habitable, perhaps even teeming with microbial life. Exploring Mars is no easy feat, but that hasn't stopped us from sending robotic emissaries to unravel its secrets. We've had rovers like Sojourner, Spirit, and Opportunity, which made groundbreaking discoveries. Curiosity, a mobile laboratory, has been exploring Gale Crater and searching for signs of past life. And now, we have Perseverance, our latest rover, collecting rock samples and paving the way for future human missions. While liquid water on the surface of Mars is a thing of the past, there's still plenty of water locked away beneath the surface as ice. Scientists believe that vast reserves of water ice exist at the Martian poles and even in mid-latitude regions. This subsurface water could be a vital resource for future human explorers, and raises the intriguing possibility of finding microbial life hiding out in these underground oases. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of Mars. From its ancient past to its potential for harboring life, Mars continues to captivate our imaginations. As we continue to explore and learn more about our celestial neighbor, one thing is certain: the red planet holds endless possibilities for discovery and adventure.